I'm hungry.
Me too.
Let's eat out.
Good idea.
What food?
Japanese food.
I like sushi.
Me too.
Ramen is nice.
Yes.
Let's go now.
Okay, let's go.
I'm ready.
Me too.
Get in the car.
Okay.
Let's start the car.
Yay!
Did it start?
Not yet.
That sounds strange.
Let me try again.
Okay.
Oh no.
Is dinner canceled? No sushi today.
I don't know.
The car won't start.
Oh no.
We can take a taxi.
Good idea.
I call a taxi.
Okay.
Did you book this taxi?
Yes, we did.
Where do you want to go?
A Japanese restaurant, please.
Is it far?
Not far.
How much is it?
$10.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes. Under Ben.
Okay, we will check.
For 4 people.
Yes.
This way, please.
Wow!
Here are the menus.
Thank you.
So many choices.
Take your time.
What is sushi?
Rice and fish.
I don't know.
You like chicken.
Chicken ramen is good.
Okay.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. Two ramen, please.
Okay.
One sushi set, please.
Sure.
Sorry, we don't have salmon today.
What a shame. That's okay.
Tuna is okay.
Sure.
1 tuna sushi set.
Yes, please.
Anything else?
Water, please.
Here is your water.
Thank you. It's cold.
Yes.
Hot ramen for you.
Thank you.
It smells nice.
Very nice.
The soup is hot.
Be careful.
Tuna sushi set.
Wow. The fish looks fresh.
Yes.
It's soft.
Good.
The rice is warm. Is it good?
Very good.
The soup is tasty.
I agree.
I like this one.
Enjoy.
It's not salty.
That's good.
Are you full?
Not yet. I need a drink.
Okay.
Excuse me, please.
Yes.
Is there a dessert?
Yes.
Excuse me, please.
Yes.
What desserts do you have?
Ice cream and cake.
I want ice cream.
Okay.
Chocolate cake, please.
Sure. 1 ice cream and 1 cake.
Okay.
Ice cream for you.
Thank you. It's cold. It's sweet.
Nice.
Chocolate cake for you.
Thanks. It's soft.
Enjoy.
I like this.
Me too.
Are we done?
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can we have the bill, please?
Sure.
Here is the bill.
Thank you.
How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Please tap your card.
Okay.
Please wait.
Sure.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm very full.
Me too.
Did you like the food?
Yes.
The sushi was great.
I agree.
Let's call a taxi.
Okay.
Did you book a taxi?
Yes.
I'm very full.
Me too.
Wait a second.
What's wrong?
I forgot my scarf.
At the restaurant?
Can we go back?
Sure.
Let's be quick.
Okay.
Is it here?
Let me check. Is this yours?
Yes! Thank you so much.
No problem.
Problem solved.
Good job.
Now we can go home.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
We're home.
Yay!
I had a great day.
Me too.